Hello friends, today I will show you how we will install Active Directory role and promote our AD to domain controller. Okay, so let's start. Before start, you must read this prerequisites. Okay, the following are the name of the server, configuration, configure a static IP, make sure the machine is fully dedicated for. These are the So we will go to our server. Role and features. Okay. Role based or feature based installation. Okay. Select server installation. This is Infotech, and my server IP is 10.10.10.3. Okay. Server role. I need to Active Directory domain services. Okay. Remote server. Okay. Active Directory. Okay. Simply, if you want any other services, you can also install the packages. Just need this. Ready. Next. Configuration. Stop. Our installation completed. Now promote these servers as a domain controller. Need to add an info rest. If you have a already existing domain, you can add your existing domain. Okay. Rest for functional level, domain functional level, you need to select, enter the password. Next. Okay. Delegation option, you can ignore this, no problem. Optional. Write a BIOS name, again to domain and necessary. Infotech 0. Okay. Now next. You can verify your setting here. Okay. All the configuration. After the after this domain controller feature install, you need to sign out. Okay, it's restarting. You can see here our domains are Active Directory services and domain controller successfully installed. Okay. Verify this configuration. I will show you some commands. Okay. You can run on your PowerShell. Okay. Here our Active Directory and domain controller, all permission available here. Okay. Thank you for watching. Okay. See you in next lecture.